Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read, where words rule and we make learning fun. Today, we are going to introduce you to two new words that will expand your vocabulary. First up, we have laconic. Laconic. Laconic means using very few words to express something. This word is often used to describe a person who is concise and to the point in their communication, or a piece of writing that is brief and to the point. For example, you could say that a laconic person gives short, direct answers, or that a laconic message leaves out any unnecessary details. Here is a sentence example. The CEO was known for his laconic communication style. He never wasted words and got straight to the point. Next, we have mawkish. Mawkish. Mawkish means to be overly emotional in a way that seems fake or too much. It's like when someone tries too hard to make you feel sad or happy, but it doesn't feel genuine. For instance, a mawkish movie might have too many sad scenes that feel like they're trying too hard to make you cry. Here is a sentence example for this word. The movie's mawkish ending left many viewers feeling disappointed and dissatisfied. So, to recap, when someone is laconic, they use very few words to express themselves, which can create a sense of mystery or intrigue. On the other hand, being mawkish means using too many words or emotions in a way that seems fake or insincere. That's all for this video, folks. If you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode of Words Well Read. Thanks for watching.